What's up guys? So, I was right though, because I knew the Chinese people will support and love Huawei's new operating system, and now it seems the new operating system is getting a lot popular in China, and it's already breaking all the records. Anyway, if you want to get video like this, sub to this channel will be amazing. Now, let's start the video. So, a new report shows that the Harmony operating system is already past 10 million users, aka active devices, which are using it right now, and it is amazing. Like, I can't even imagine though, and to mark this big thing as an occasion, the company has decided to celebrate with a rather unique looking cake. As you can see here, it has TWS headphones, smartwatch, smartphone, and a TV or all adaptable elements, making up the cake by the way. Anyhow, the success of Harmony operating system is incredibly quick, and it's important to know that Harmony operating system isn't just an operating system. In fact, it seems to act more like an all-in-one umbrella type brand for all of Huawei's different operating systems, as well as its Internet of Things. So, it's basically an ecosystem which will connect different products to each other, and even you can just tap the Harmony operating system running devices to each other, and you are good to go. Like, it's that much faster and accurate. Anyway, the update of Harmony operating system 2.0 is available right now for the Huawei Mate 40 series, P40 series, Mate 30 series, and the Mate Pad Pro in China, while the P30 series and Honor 30 and V30 series will get close betas this month, and public betas in July, but still it's only available in China. So, it would be interesting to see how the company handles the transition to Harmony operating system outside of China, like in the international market. Anyway, the number of products running a version of Harmony operating system are definitely only set to grow in the future. After this great start, Huawei in fact hopes to achieve 360 million active devices running Harmony operating system by the end of the year, as well as convincing 1.2 million developers to write apps for its platform. So, definitely the company is working really fast to make its operating system more popular, and I know it would be really difficult for Huawei to achieve the same success in the international market, because Google is a really big competitor. Now, the billion-dollar question is, what Huawei will do going forward. Will it stick close to Android or start to diverge harmonyOS into its own thing? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. Anyway, after the success of the Galaxy S20 FE last year, consumers as well as Samsung itself were looking forward to the release of its successor, the Galaxy S21 FE. With the Galaxy Note phone delayed to next year, the S21 FE is an important launch for Samsung, because it's the only mainstream non-foldable flagship phone they have to offer in the second half of the year. But turns out, things are taking an ugly turn for Samsung, as the future of the S21 FE hangs in the balance, as Samsung has suspended the handset indefinitely. Anyway, according to South Korean website ET News, broke this news earlier this day, saying that Samsung has suspended production of the S21 FE. So, Samsung supply partners were apparently informed that the manufacturer was suspending the production of S21 FE parts and canceling orders for various materials. Moreover, some insiders from South Korea believe that it's due to the global chip shortage, but Ice Universe is saying that it doesn't have to do with the chip problem, but due to the battery. He says, it's not that the battery is in short supply, it's that the parts required by S21 FE's new technology are not up to standard, and this part may be related to the battery and it doesn't affect other models. Also, the interesting part is, he deleted the tweet later on, which suggests it may not have to do with what he's saying, and actually is due to the global chip shortage. Interestingly, another report mentions that the issue may have something to do with the cycle between existing products, which suggests Samsung could be planning to space out releases, possibly to prevent cannibalization. I mean, the S21 and S21 FE are basically identical devices, except for the minor screen size differences, They share identical designs and features, so it does make sense, but you need to know that all of this is speculation at this point. But the fact remains that the S21 FE's production has been stopped abruptly, and that's a big deal because it either results in a lengthy delay, or may end up being cancelled altogether. In any case, I'll keep you posted. Anyway, that's all the latest news. What do you guys think about it? Let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. And if you somehow like this video, sub to the channel will make my day. And my name is Arjun. This is Digital Outside, so as always I'll catch you guys in the next one.